Welcome to TD Consultant. This series is about the information for our engineers and IT specialists who are now setting up their startup and businesses as entrepreneur in foreign countries. So therefore, we have started this series to provide the information to those young engineers and scientists and IT experts. But this is just an advice, and this is not an advice, this is an information only. So read the disclaimer, which says that information in this vlog or post on social media is provided for general information only. These may not reflect the current law in your jurisdiction. No information constitutes to legal advice. So this is not for the legal advice. So let's move forward. Now you can see this video here. You can listen to this video and
Delaware is known for having a favorable tax environment for businesses, including foreign-owned businesses. Here are some reasons why. 1. No state tax on sales. Delaware does not impose a state tax on sales, which means that businesses don't have to pay taxes on goods or services sold. 2. Low franchise tax. Delaware's franchise tax is relatively low, ranging from $175 to $200 per year, depending on the type of business entity. 3. No tax on foreign profits. Delaware does not tax foreign profits, making it an attractive location for foreign-owned businesses. 4. No tax on dividends. Delaware does not tax dividends paid to shareholders, which can be beneficial for foreign-owned businesses. 5. Flexible corporate laws. Delaware has highly flexible corporate laws, making it easy to establish and maintain a business entity. However, it's important to note that while Delaware has a favorable tax environment, it's not the only factor to consider when choosing a location for your business. Other factors such as regulatory requirements, legal protections, and access to markets and talent should also be taken into account. Non-US citizens who incorporate in Delaware may need to pay taxes in Delaware, depending on their specific situation. Here are some key points to consider. Delaware does not require a citizenship or residency to form a Delaware LLC or corporation. Non-US citizens can form a business in Delaware, but they must appoint a registered agent with a physical address in Delaware. If the business generates income in Delaware, it may be subject to state income tax. Non-US citizens may need to file additional forms and reports with the Delaware Division of Corporations and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network (FinCEN). It is recommended that non-US citizens consult with a tax professional or attorney to determine their specific tax obligations in Delaware.
oh, this was the video. Now these are our services which are given here. You can study and contact the tdcs.ca on this email address if you need any other services. Thank you very much.